we need to understand one important function is redux. So for that, first we need to understand this simple analogy. Going back to our previous analogy, pizza shop. Now here our pizza business is going well and we have lots of customer every day. So shop owner decided to upgrade his shop and sell burgers along with pizza. So before what we only had pizza shop which stores all the ingredients inside the kitchen. In our example, we considered our pizza base is stored inside kitchen. Customer request and place an order that they want pizza. Then the chef takes the request from the customer and get the pizza base from the kitchen and bake pizza and handles to the customer. Now what shopkeeper has done? Shopkeeper has upgraded the shop and we now have burgers too. So for burgers also, we will store all the ingredients inside the kitchen. In this case, what shop owner can do is, he can keep the same chef, and we already know chef represents the reducer. He can keep the same chef to prepare both pizza and burgers. But for smooth running of the business, shop owner decided to hire one more chef who will manage preparing burger. Now new chef manages order burger from customer. Now we have two chefs, one for managing preparing pizza and one for managing preparing burger. When customer comes to store with an intention of ordering pizza, chef 1 will handle that request and chef 1 is only bothered about pizza and he is not bothered about the burgers which are managed by chef 2 and vice versa. If the customer comes to order burger, then only chef 2 will be handling that request. Chef 1 will not be bothered about this request. Now, what to keep in mind is the state of the shop is now number of pizza base and number of burger buns in the kitchen. And the reason of having separate chef is the scalability because later if the business expands and shop starts selling french fries, coffee, then managing only by one person would be difficult task. And also, if something goes wrong, we can easily catch hold on that chef and understand what happens. So that is the reason owner has decided to hire one more chef who will be handling burgers.